Life will be fun from tomorrow. No more deadlines, no workloads. I will spend the entire day with you and my children.
Yes, I hope so.
Why are you saying like that? Aren't you happy that I am retiring tomorrow?
I am happy, but at the same time, I am worried about our future. I do not want to be financially dependent on anyone. I want that I should lead a similar life which I have been living till now. I have lived my life with pride and I want to die with pride.
Don't worry. I have thought about our life post-retirement way before. I have been investing in mutual funds since I was young. My mutual funds investment will help us to live our life happily and with pride. If you are 30 years old with monthly expense of rupees 35,000, considering 6% inflation, you would require a corpus of rupees 4.82 crores at the time of retirement to maintain a similar lifestyle and to enjoy your post-retirement life. Invest in mutual funds today for a happy post-retirement life. Contact your financial distributor today.